Often when I'm helping people with a spreadsheet, I like to leave comments for them. I might leave a comment, for instance, in the cell A6. If I click the cell A6, I think the easiest way to insert a comment is to right-click A6 and choose Insert Comment. Immediately a little comment window comes up, which if I put my mouse on the edge, I can actually drag it down. And then I might put a comment, please enter the part number in the cells in this column. I might add another comment. I'll click on F6, Insert Comment, and I'll put a comment, these are the available valid part numbers. You can enter. When I click away from the cell, the comment disappears, but I'm left with a little red triangle in the top right of the cell, and when I rest on the cell, the little comment pops up. If I was to rest on A6, that comment would pop up. So if you see a little red triangle, someone's left you a comment. You might decide that you want the comments to stay up permanently, in which case I'd right-click one of the cells with a comment, maybe A6, and I'd then left-click ShowHide Comments. Now the comment stays up permanently, and if I want this comment to stay up as well, I'll right-click this comment and choose ShowHide Comments, and this comment shows up as well. This is very handy if I then hit the print screen button to take a copy of the screen and then go to Word and paste, and I'm writing a user manual on how to use this particular screen. I can just as easily right-click the cell and say hide the comment, right-click this cell and hide the comment. If I want to edit a comment, just right-click and choose Edit Comment. Please enter a part number in the cells in this column, please. But if I want to delete a comment, I would simply right-click and I'd choose Delete Comment. And the little red indicator disappears. If I wanted to print the comments, I'd actually go to the Page Layout tab in the ribbon and I'd choose the Print Setup dialog box launcher. When I click this, I can then go to Sheet at the top and I can choose the Comments drop down and say that I want comments to be displayed at the end of the sheet, or I want them to be displayed as on the sheet.